Visitors to the National Museum of American History simply call it the flag and are often amazed that the Star Spangled Banner still exists. But it does, and its story is a grand one. Measuring a full 42 by 30 feet, this flag was hoisted over Baltimore Harbor on September 14, 1814, after 25 hours of bombardment.
At approximately 9 a.m. that morning, as the British was sailing away, Major Armistead gave orders for this flag, his flag of defiance, hoisted up over the ramparts of Fort McHenry. And as his flag was hoisted up, the regimental band inside the fort played the national song, Yankee Doodle.
But at the same time, a new national song was being composed, for Francis Scott Key, a young lawyer moved by the sight, penned the words to our national anthem on the back of an envelope. The grand old flag fell into disrepair over the years, so when the Smithsonian received it in 1912, a team of women went to work. The restoration was all done by hand, using 60 stitches to each square inch. The Star Spangled Banner has been on view ever since, but the air and light have been hard on it. In a recent ceremony at the Museum of American History, it was announced that the flag will get a thorough cleaning this summer.
Much of the next 3 months, while the project is underway, we're going to have to cover this flag with a big piece of plastic, which is down below it. And then we're going to very, very, very carefully vacuum it in the gentlest possible way to remove the fibers of various things, including leaves and bits of blue jeans that are in the air that are now embedded in that extraordinary texture.
After the cleaning, a protective curtain will be installed, so the flag will only be visible for a few minutes every hour. In this way, our national symbol will last for the next 100 years. Here at the Smithsonian, I'm Carroll.